what's up? It's Hybrid Dr. J, and today I want to show you how you can fix your own surfboard. Now, I am not a professional surfboard fixer, so please leave your comments below and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong. I did a recent fix on my longboard here. It's 8 foot 2 inches. I was surfing in Huntington Beach about a month ago and the waves were pretty gnarly. I got smoked quite a few times and I ended up breaking the tip of my surfboard. I went into the surf shop. They recommended the Solaris epoxy. It's styrofoam and EPS safe, and it hardens in 1 minute when exposed to sunlight. So luckily here in Southern California there's lots of sunlight. I went surfing in Venice last week. First time I had ever surfed there. And what I found is that the waves, they weren't great, but the only waves that were available were crashing really close to shore in very shallow water. We're talking like waist high water. What ended up happening is my surfboard got smashed down, and it used to have 3 fins. These are fiberglassed in, they're not removable, but the back fin got knocked off. That's what I'm gonna be fixing today. All right, so let's go over the materials you'll need. I have with me some protective goggles. We've got a dust mask. I've got a little knife here to try and scrape away the fiberglass remnants there from the fin. I also have some garden shears if I need to cut a little bit there. And we got some parchment paper, which we'll put over top of the Solaris to help it smooth out so it'll look good. This whole job should only take maybe 15 minutes from start to finish. It's a quick one, and let's do it. All right, team, so here we go. We've got some little chunks here that we're gonna get rid of. There's some fiberglass that I'm just gonna cut off. Try not to cut myself. And smooth this part out here. Try maybe the garden shears. And we don't have to make it completely smooth. I mean, it's okay if there's a little bit of a rudder there. Just want to clean it up a bit. Obviously, be careful when you're cutting. Okay, and then there's some sandpaper that comes with the Solaris. You've got 2 different grits. So you've got the rougher side on, I'm not sure what the number is on that, and then there's a finer one here. So you do the rough one first. This is the part why you want to wear your dust mask, so that you're not breathing in the fiberglass fibers. They can be very harmful to your body. Probably would have been a good idea for me to wear gloves as well. So you want to scuff it up because we will be putting the new stuff over top. And by scuffing it up, that helps the Solaris to stick to it. Okay. Now again, as I said, I'm not a professional. Professionals can do a much cleaner job and really preserve the look of the board. This is my first board. I bought it used, so I don't really mind if it looks a little rough around the edges. And it does look a little rough around the edges, so I'm fine with that. But if you wanted to get a professional job, definitely take it to a surf shop and get it properly taken care of. But if you just want a quick fix like me, then you can do it yourself. Let's see if I can get this little piece off right here. And then we should be pretty much ready to go. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna blow the dust off there and then we'll be ready to go. Now I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe here to make sure that it's clean. Obviously we want it to be dry before we put the Solaras on. All right, we've got it all cleaned up here. It's nice and smooth. We can get our Solaras product on there. It dries very quickly, so we'll just put a bunch on here. I'll use the parchment paper to smooth it out. Gotta make sure that we seal that up, because if salt water gets in, it's gonna start to ruin the fiberglass on the surfboard. So I've got my parchment paper here. I'm just gonna smooth it out. Again, as I mentioned, I am not a professional. This is just a quick fix here. I'm not looking to make this thing look really pretty. I just want to get back surfing again, and I want to go tomorrow back to Huntington. So we are pretty much ready there. All right, here we go to the sun. And now you can see that it is cured. It's smooth now. It does look shiny. Again, I know I keep saying this. I'm not a pro. I know it's not pretty. The main point is I've got this bad boy ready to go so I can go surfing tomorrow. Gonna head to Huntington Beach and get back to what I love doing. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the content, please consider smashing that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day, everyone.